Hey guys, welcome to the first video on the Out the Door HD channel. I'm Dan, or Daniel, whatever you want to call me. On this channel we're going to be doing carpentry, blacksmithing, fishing, bushcrafting, anything outdoors pretty much. And yeah, today, for my first ever video on this channel, we're going to be making a carpentry hammer, just like this one, but smaller than its baby brother. First, we're going to need two different contrasting colors, like these. Cedar, and I think this is white pine. Not the best choices of wood, but you know what? We're gonna go with it. Yeah, so let's try and find these pieces of wood. Okay guys, for this hammer, our selection of wood is going to be a nice piece of cedar and a piece of white pine. Let's get in. So obviously this humongous piece of wood right here is too big for us to handle. Get it? To make this. So we're going to cut it down. Okay, so we cut it down to a more manageable length, and we're going to need to cut 4-inch sections out of this. Make sure you can get the straightest 4-inch sections as possible. For this, we are going to be using a straight edge square and a carpenter's pencil, or a contractor's pencil. So first, you're going to want to cut a straight edge on the straightest piece of wood. You're going to want to measure 4 inches from that. So let's get to 4, measure it right there, and then straight edge. There you go. And then you just want to keep doing that, 4-inch sections. Okay, so now that you have your 4-inch sections drawn out, you're going to want to mark on them which ones you want to cut out. And once you do that, it's going to be pretty simple. Just take them to the chop saw, or miter saw, whatever you like to call it, and then cut it. Okay, so now that you got that, you're just going to want to pop that out. There you go. And cut it. It also helps if you have some ear protection. So now I assume you know how to use one of these. Let's get cutting. There you go. Now you got your 3 pieces. Now you're just going to want to square them up. Like, you see, those are uneven right now. I didn't do a very good job of that. So, you're just going to want to place them down, find the good even spots, preferably use a flat surface, and just square them up. There we go. Square it up. Now it's time to cut. Okay, so now you see they're pretty much flush with each other. We can finish squaring them up better in a little bit. We're going to want to do the same thing to our piece of cedar right here. So just stick it on. Measure about that much. Just okay, so now that we have these two pieces cut out, we can go back up to the table and just mark them up, put them together. Okay, so now that we're back, we're going to sand down all the flat surfaces and make them perfectly flat, because right now you can see that there's gaps in there, right? Yeah. We're going to flatten those edges down, and then we're just going to use them. Okay, so the middle piece seems to be the problem. It's pretty curvy, the rest are pretty straight and conform to my laws, but we're just going to take a piece of, what is this, 120 grit sandpaper and just sand down the edges flat. This might take a little bit. Okay guys, so now they're all flattened down, they match, and all I did extra while the camera, my phone, was off was I just flattened down that edge. It was like that. Now it's like this. Just use the chop saw, miter saw, whatever you call it. I call it chop saw. And you should get these little pieces if yours is like mine. This is flooring or siding, I think. But we might need these for a cedar nail on the end. I'm gonna put it at the top. So yeah, now we're just gonna take it inside and glue it with some wood glue. It's gonna be arranged like this. There you go. That's just how it's gonna be arranged. It's gonna look like that. It's exactly what I did for this one, but this one's a little bit bigger. It's like carrying Thor's hammer. This one's just going to be a little tweaking hammer, I guess you could say, or a little chisel hammer. That one's more in for beating some wood into submission. But yeah, I'll be back when this is laminated.